Yes, it's me, Trainman 2K. Looky, finally got the first frame assembled and just dry fit. Plywood's going to go on the face of it, and I only need 3 more for down through there. Can't wait to get this done so I can get the trains running. Oh yeah, I still need track. Alright, we're gonna get there. Wanted to show you the pieces for the doors on my cabinets. These are the uprights, and then these are the horizontal pieces. Now, the way they go together, it's just a very basic half lap. They're each cut in half, fadoed out, then I glue it and tack it. Here's the setup I used. Got the saw height set just right because I used a pattern. Okay, always make a pattern for this stuff. Doing this, you see, it would put me right at the end of where I need to notch. Then I just work the way back, moving the crosscut guide. So that's about it. And here is how I glue them together. I have these corner clamps, spring clamp, put them together with glue, and I use this stuff. This Gorilla wood glue. It's good. Water soluble, so it cleans up easy, and it really holds. But that's how I make my corners.